Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Alright? Alright, now, first things first, my people. I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can hear someone talking in this video. Now, based on some things that the person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person claimed that the person somehow found grind up plastic in a type of seasoning, viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if the things that the person said in the video are accurate. No, I am not, because I don't have much confirmed information about the video or about the things that the person said in the video. However, I want you to listen to the things that the person said in this video and look at the video carefully and tell me if you believe or if you do not believe the things that the person said, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Please bear in mind that I'm only going by the things that the person said in the video also. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Hi everyone. The shops around here in New Cross, I couldn't find any Dunn's River jerk seasoning, so I decided to take the shortcut by buying a Tropical Sun.
Yeah, listen.
To do my jerk chicken.
Listen.
And when I looked at this jerk paste, it is very dark, black to the core, and I decided to put it in a sieve and sieve it out, and this is what I found in there. It is all grind up plastic.
Yeah, listen.
There's no onions, nothing at all inside of this jerk seasoning. I sieved it all out, and this is what it is. All grind up plastic with a little bit of pepper, and according to the ingredients, pimento, nutmeg, pepper, and more. I'm just saying that these people are really trying to kill us off. Removing all our own products off the shelf, not giving us much choices than to buy all this disgusting things that they want us to spend our money on. Absolutely disgusting. And I'm telling everyone again, Tropical Sun, this manufacturer is using our name, that the product is packed in Jamaica, but it's not. Because never ever have we ever had to be complaining about any products that we use for our food. But this is what it's all about now. And I'm just advising you, totally do not buy nothing that says Tropical Sun. Yes, my people, this is what they're trying to do to us.
Alright, my people, I hope you listen to the things that the person said. And I hope you notice that the person mentioned at least one name in the video that I assume is some type of brand. You see what I say? Now, you see, me is the kind of person like these viewers and subscribers. I don't like to jump to conclusion, but I like to listen and observe. I would like to do some form of test when it comes down to the things that the person said in the video before I can reach to some form of conclusion. No, I am not able to reach some type of conclusion when it comes down to the things that the person said in the video. But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about the things that the person said. You can tell me if you believe or if you do not believe or what. You understand? Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show plastic bottles and other things that I consider to be a lot of garbage inside of a place, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Now, allegedly, it is said that the video shows inside of a jail or a prison. Viewers and subscribers, I'm not a criminal, so it's not like I know the difference, viewers and subscribers. And I said allegedly, see? Now, my people, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you to look and listen to this video and also tell me what you think. Please bear in mind that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find this video to be shocking. So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Yeah, bitch. Love.
Yeah. Down they done clean right.
Well, my people, whether the place wants to be a jail or a prison or whatsoever, I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. One, jailhouse and prison are no better roads, because you have jailhouse and prison that look somewhat similar like what you seen in the video. You understand? And the next thing again to viewers and subscribers is that it's good to keep your surroundings clean. You know what I mean? Like, them things are not good for you if you have garbage and all them things around, you know, but it depends on where you're at still, you know. If you're what you call it now, if you're incarcerated, your options might be limited. But people, you can let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, I'm going to read from an article that I saw online. And I am going to tell you from right now that I cannot confirm if the things that I'm about to read to you are actually true. No, I am not able to confirm if the things that I'm about to read to you are actually true. Now, this article that I'm looking at said that a Chinese man used a hand grenade to crack walnuts for 25 years. Now, when I said that, no viewers and subscribers, I'm assuming that some of you might be wondering if that person in the story is still alive. So, the news article said that a villager in China unknowingly used a hand grenade to crack walnuts for a quarter century, only realizing in his potential danger or potential mistake when he spotted the grenade on a government flyer. See? So, another part of the article said that the man whose surname is Ran and who lives in a certain place, I'm not able to pronounce this place, viewers and subscribers, because it's not like say me speaks all these languages out there, you understand? But the person live at a certain location. Anyway, so another part of the article said that the man claimed that a friend gave him the grenade in the early 1980s. My people, you hear that? Friend. See? You feel careful of some of the things them where you take from a friend or friends. You hear me? I tell my people. See? Can't confirm if the things that I am reading in this article are true, but me I read it to you nonetheless. See? So another part of the article said, not having any idea what it was, he used it to open walnuts. See? Yeah, so the article said the man claims that a friend gave him the grenade in the early 1980s and he don't know what, and he used it for crack walnuts. Alright? So another part of the article said that the nutcracker, voila. Okay. Alright, we get it though. See it? So another part of the article said that the nutcracker in this case was a Chinese type 67 defense hand grenade. See it? The grenade is a so-called stick grenade, also known as a potato masher, invented by the German army in World War I. Stick grenades contain an explosive charge in one end of the weapon. A pull string runs through the length of the handle and is concealed by a screwed on cap on the other end of the grenade. Pulling on the string ignites the fuse and the grenade is then thrown at the enemy. See? Alright, so listen again now. So another part of the same article said, Ran allegedly only discovered the grenade's true identity when he noticed it on a government flyer identifying prohibited explosives. That story I'm interested. See? So he promptly turned it in to a local police station. He was not penalized. Now, my people, listen to this now. If you somehow find or get a hand grenade without knowing that the grenade is a hand grenade, and somehow you find out later on and you turn it over to police in Jamaica, police out there in the world, and if you don't get penalized, where you call a situation like that, my people? What would you call a situation like that? Alright, so let me skip some more of these words right here. Alright, so another part of the article said, although those are usually clearly marked, and this one has no markings at all, if it was real, the explosives inside the grenade could have gradually become unstable over time, make it dangerous to handle. My people, some story out there, see. Some sitting out there, see. As Jamaicans would say, some sitting out there, see. My people, I like to tell me what you think about the article, yeah. I really like to tell me what I think, my people. Yeah. I mean, friend. Notice the word friend mentioned in the article, viewers and subscribers. Well, if everything that had been said in this article are true, viewers and subscribers, well, this is something to think about. Yeah, so I left it, you know. Let me know what to think about everything that I said in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.